Welcome to SIME. Today's question, what is a fiduciary? A fiduciary is a person, company, or other organization who has an ethical, but more importantly, legal responsibility to act in the best interest of the client. This is referred to as good faith. In other words, the fiduciary has the legal responsibility to act in good faith. The word comes from the Latin verb fidere, which means to trust. The term is typically used in the financial world, although it is not limited to this use. In general, a fiduciary is an advisor who will guide someone through a particular situation. Financial advisors, insurance agents, accountants, and executors are all examples of fiduciaries. An investment professional who is also a fiduciary has the legal duty to act in the client's best interest, not in his or her own best interest. An investment professional who is not a fiduciary is able to recommend products that provide higher commission and profit for the investment company, but will not necessarily yield the highest returns for the client. A fiduciary would be liable for making that decision as it is not in the client's best interest. This liability is referred to as fiduciary risk. Fiduciaries must also prevent conflicts of interest or remove themselves from the situation if they are unable. Today we answered the question, what is a fiduciary? And I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. For more content, please like this video and subscribe to the SIME channel.